Now that you're done creating your logo and favicon, let's upload both by going to site title, tagline, logo. Then where it says select image, click there. And let's go to upload files, select files. Let's go to logo. And our logo has been uploaded. And as you can see, it's already up there. Now for the favicon, let's go to where it says site icon, click select image, upload files, select files, and let's find the favicon. Select, skip cropping. Both have now been successfully uploaded. Click on save and publish. Close out of this. And let's now go back and refresh our website to see what the changes look like. And as you can see, our logo is up and our favicon is also up.